Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Whole Munez Plans, and I am back with another memory spread. For this week, I will be planning out the week of May 3rd through May 9th, which is the week of Mother's Day, and I will be using this gorgeous kit called Let Love Grow by M.CrystalPrints. It's in silver foil, and it is absolutely stunning. I'm also pulling in this deco sheet from the Sweet Planner because I thought the florals in it matched absolutely perfectly. So without any further ado, I'm going to speed you guys up, lay down the base of the spread, and then get back to you with the day to day. So the first thing that I'm wanting to mark on Monday is the fact that I edited a bunch of planner related videos. There was a lot of videos that I recorded last week. I filmed like 3 different times and it took me a while to edit a bunch of them. So it kind of bled over on this day. I was also editing a plan with me that went live on Wednesday on this day. And yeah, it was just a lot of editing that I did. So to mark that, I pull in this blush frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO, some florals from the Sweet Planner. The flourish is from Planning Like a Pro. The deco pieces are from Honey Inked, and the little laptop is from Planning World, and the script is from Ice Cream Joe. Then I wanted to mark that my husband and his band had a photo shoot. They are taking band promotional pictures because they're going to be involved in a music festival coming up on Memorial Day. So we had to get some promotional work done for them. And also fun stuff, he and his band are recording an album and they needed album covers made. So yeah, fun things are happening with that. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit. Well, it's actually more of like almost a third box. Yeah, I'd say that's about a third box size. And the camera icon is from Crafts by Towie. I love that icon. It's one of my favorites. Then I wanted to mark that I went to the gym. So to mark that, I pull in a scallop confetti box. No, scallop confetti circle. Try saying that 5 times fast. I dare you. I've said it like 12 times and it doesn't work. Scalloped confetti circle from Meg B Makes. The shoe is from GL Designs Group. The banners are from Sadie Stickers. I love doing that crisscross applesauce type of a deal that I learned from Rachel at Gathered Plans. I feel like she really popularized that in the planner community and I love it. Rachel, you should be proud. But then I wanted to watch that I had a little YouTube binge, so I pull in a label from the kit, some florals from the Sweet Planner, and the YouTube icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then I had kind of like a self-care bath night. So I pull in this foiled floral box from Meg Makes. It was a little too long, like too wide for the column, so I trim it down just a little bit. The candle came from the deco sheet that I used from the Sweet Planner for this kit, and the vine deco piece is from Honey Inked. Okay, so jumping over to Tuesday, me and my sister's yoga and HIIT class that we do every week got canceled because it was raining. So this gave me an opportunity to sleep in, which was absolutely glorious because I didn't have any classes I needed to teach. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit, some more florals from the Sweet Planner, and the little pillow icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then I marked going to the gym the exact same way that I marked it. I marked going to the gym pretty much the exact same way every single day. I did go to the gym every single day this week. just letting you guys know, I don't mark it every day just because, well, I didn't want to use up all of my garlands. But also I didn't want to like be redundant, and there's other stuff I wanted to mark. So anyways, I pull in another confetti circle from Meg Makes. The shoe is from GL Designs Group. The banner or the garlands are from Sadie Stickers, obviously. And the gym script is a custom that my mom made. She finally made me more. Thank you, Mom. Okay, and then I wanted to mark that I did some more editing. It took me a long time to edit last week's plan with me. I don't know why. I was just lazy about it. I was just like, meh, no, I'll do it later. And it wasn't so much the editing, but like the voiceover. It's like, I feel like I can record and edit my videos, but then like doing the voiceover, I'm like, I can totally put that off because I end up re-recording my voiceovers like 15 times. And I always feel like the more times I record the voiceover, the less genuine I sound. Like, this is my second time recording this voiceover, and so I feel like, okay, I've still got a little bit of energy. I don't know, you guys let me know, but like the more times I record a voiceover, like the less genuine I feel that I get. I feel like I just end up turning robotic. So it takes me a long time to like edit videos because doing voiceovers just like gets so I don't even know. The voiceovers have been the struggle bus for me ever since I started doing Playing with These, but it is what it is at this point. I've kind of come to the conclusion that whatever I say in these voiceovers is what you're gonna get, so I apologize in advance. But anyways, I do more editing, and I marked that the exact same way that I marked it on Monday with the box from Sweet Bella XOXO, the florals from the Sweet Planner, the flourish from Planning Like a Pro, the laptop from Planning World, and the deco pieces from Honey Inked. Then I wanted to mark that I cooked dinner, so I pull in a label from the kit, and the little apron is from White Deer Stationery, which I haven't even hauled that yet. Like I filmed a haul, but I haven't uploaded it yet. I just had to use that apron because I felt like it matched the spread. I love the colorway of these little aprons from White Deer Stationery. Oh, so stinking cute. And then to cap off the night, me and my husband watched Ghost Adventures on Amazon. So I pull in another confetti circle from Meg Makes, and that TV console is from Crafts by Towie. And then in the center, I put a little starburst from Sadie Stickers. And then I put one of those foiled floral pieces from Honey Inked in the center of that box just to give it a little bit more floral or foiled zhuzh. Okay, so jumping over to Wednesday, I am marking my Zoom class using a small page flag from the kit. I didn't feel like adding icons for this week. I wanted to kind of keep it simple, and I don't know, I didn't feel like pulling in an icon. So to mark that, I pull in a page flag, and the Zoom class script is a custom that my mom made. Then I wanted to mark that my plan with me went live on this day. So I marked that pretty similarly to how I marked editing with the Sweet Bella XOXO box, the deco pieces, and the florals from the Sweet Planner. The planner is from Planning World. Then I wanted to mark that I made tacos on this night, and I mean, my husband was like, I want some good tacos. So I mean, cilantro, jalapenos, avocados, tomatoes, the whole nine. I did the whole deal. So yeah, we had like a good old-fashioned taco night. I listened to my Office Ladies podcast on this day, so I marked that the same way that I marked going to the gym with the confetti circle from Meg Makes, the garlands from Sadie Stickers. The podcast icon is from Crafts by Towie. I did have a personal training session on this night, so I pull in a third box from the kit, some florals from the Sweet Planner, and the dumbbells are from the Glitter Mama. And then to fill in a little bit of that white space at the bottom, I just pull in a vine deco piece from Honey Inked. Jumping over to Thursday, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I overhauled me and my husband's bedroom. I needed to go through our closets, donate a bunch of clothes. I needed to vacuum. I reorganized drawers. I did the whole nine. So to mark that, I do pull in a label from the kit. The little bed icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then I marked going to the gym the exact same way that I've been marking it the whole week, with the little circle from Meg B Makes, the shoe from GL Designs Group, and the dot banners from Sadie Stickers. Then I wanted to mark that I slept on my neck wrong on this night or something. I woke up and my neck hurt so bad. It was like, I almost wanted to like cry because of how bad it hurt. So I had to take some medicine for that and put like a heating pad on it because it was bad. So to mark that, I pull in a quarter box from My Newest Addiction, and then I take a piece of the cut washi from the kit and I kind of just frame in the box to give it a little bit of the same deco and the same style as the rest of the kit. I first saw Rachel from Gathered Plans doing this trick, and I think she said she got that tip from Lauren at Plan Mosh Plan. So whoever came up with it, thank you. I love incorporating it, especially into the spread. The icon that I used to mark my hurt neck is actually from Honey Inked. It came on one of my order freebies, and I love it so much. I thought it matched pretty perfectly. Jumping down, I already had this like setup kind of done already. I jumped back up to the beginning of the column, but this is to mark uploading my monthly setup in my Functional Go-Getter Girl planner. I pull in this scallop circle from Sadie Stickers, these deco pieces from Honey Inked. That flourish is once again from Planning Like a Pro. I love this little flourish. It's one of my favorites. And the planner spread is from Crafts by Towie. I pulled in a ton of Crafts by Towie icons. Then to cap off the night, I had a Hulu binge, and I pull in a third box from My Newest Addiction, some florals from the Sweet Planner, and that TV console is from Crafts by Towie. Jumping over to Friday, I am marking my Zoom class the same way that I marked it on Wednesday, just with a page flag from the kit and the custom script that my mom made for me. I also wanted to mark that I played tennis on this day with a couple of my really good friends. I did not know that I would like tennis. Back when I was younger, my older brother, he's like 3 years older than me, we used to have a tennis court in the neighborhood that we grew up in, and he would go, and I would go with him, and he's really strong, and he used to like whack the ball really hard at me, and so I was terrified of like, you know, tennis balls flying at my head. So when my friend was like, hey, let's play tennis, I was like, oh gosh. But I actually learned that I love it so much. I got so sunburnt too, but I had so much fun, and it is a fabulous workout. So we decided that we're gonna start doing weekly tennis games over at her neighborhood's local courts, which is so much fun. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit, some florals from the Sweet Planner, and that little tennis racket is from Crafts by Towie. I'm obviously going to have to invest in more because we're going to do weekly tennis games. Then I wanted to mark that we went to this place called Bahama Bucks, which is this place where you can get like shaved ice and really good smoothies and acai bowls, and oh, it's so good. I know the cup that I pulled in is a coffee cup from Rose and Tea Shop, but we're just going to pretend that it's a smoothie cup because I love the little pink bow on it. So I pull in that coffee cup icon, but we're just pretending that it's a smoothie cup, and those garlands from Sadie Stickers. I also wanted to mark that I did some laundry on this day because I went through my closet and everything, and I don't know, I feel like it's a rite of passage when you clean your room, you have to do laundry. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit, and that icon is from the GP Studio. Then to cap off the night, I did some more filming. I actually filmed this spread. And to mark that, I pull in, oh, I'm so sad. This is my last blush frame box in silver from Sweet Bella XOXO. And Adriana, I need you to come back and open your shop so I can get more. I need to restock because it was my last one in silver. But to mark filming, I pull in that frame box from Sweet Bella XOXO, the deco pieces from Honey Inked, the florist from the Sweet Planner, the flourish is from Planning Like a Pro, and the camera icon is from Crafts by Towie. Jumping over to Saturday, I wanted to mark that I woke up and got ready. So to mark that, I pull in a label from the kit, and that makeup icon is from Crafts by Towie. I had a balloon gig on this day. It was another birthday party, so I pull in a half box from the kit. That balloon dog is from Plan Fantastic, and those garlands are once again from Sadie Stickers. Then I wanted to mark that we had a gathering over at my parents' house to celebrate my mama for Mother's Day. Me and all of my siblings came over. My dad grilled chicken. It was so much fun, and we just really got to celebrate my mom. And of course, my sisters and stuff too, and they have kids, so we got to celebrate all the moms in our lives. So to mark that, I pull in another scallop circle from Sadie Stickers. Those vine deco pieces are from Honey Inked. The little flourish is from Planning Like a Pro, and the house icon is from the GP Studio. Then to cap off the night, I had another bath night, so I pull in another third box from My Newest Addiction, framed it in with some cut washi pieces from the kit, and then the bath icon is from Crafts by Towie. Okay, so on Sunday, this is Mother's Day, and I wanted to mark that real fancy like, so I pull in that like dangle garland deco mandala from Sadie Stickers, and I layer that with a panda bird design scalloped half box. I pull in a floral divider from Honey Inked, and then the Happy Mother's Day script is from Rose Colored Days. Then I wanted to mark that me and my husband went over to his grandparents' house so we could visit his grandma for Mother's Day, so I pull in a box from the kit. The house is from the GP Studio. I also wanted to mark that we actually got to go to church on this day, so I pull in a mini page flag from the kit. The vine deco piece is from Honey Inked. The church icon is from Crafts by Towie. Then I wanted to mark that I did my nails, and I'm planning to do some pre-planning on this night. These are the leftovers that I have for this kit, along with a Viv Wiggle. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great week, guys. Bye.